In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send audio messages with Manychat. By the end, you'll know exactly where to add an audio clip inside your flows so your audience can tap play and hear your message right where it matters. Start by signing in and heading to the Home tab. Think of this as your control center, a clean overview of your workspace that makes it easy to jump into building or editing. From the left side menu, click Automation. This is where your flows live, the conversations, prompts, and actions that guide people through your experience. If you need a fresh space to work, you can create a new automation here. Choose a blank flow if you want full control, or pick a template that matches your goal. Give your flow a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to locate later as your library grows. Open your automation to view the flow builder. You'll see messages, actions, and logic laid out visually, which helps you track the journey at a glance. Click the specific message or step where you want the audio to appear. This might be a welcome message, a follow-up, or any point where a voice note adds clarity or personality. With that message selected, click More to expand the available content types. Now click Audio. This inserts an audio content block into your message, so recipients will see a built-in player and can press play right inside the chat. Upload your file by dragging it into the uploader, or browse your computer and click Open. Use a clear, high-quality recording, speak a bit slower than usual, and record in a quiet space. Short, focused clips tend to perform best, and common formats like MP3 work well. Name the file logically so it's easy to find during future edits. Once uploaded, the audio appears in that message block and is ready to play as the flow runs. That's all it takes to add voice to your Manychat automation. With your audio in place, your message becomes more human, memorable, and easier for your audience to absorb as they move through your flow.